name's Madeline. I'm a brand new mom. I had my baby in the middle of the semester, and I love the welding program and running beads and learning all the machines. I chose welding because it just seemed really interesting. It seemed like something that I would enjoy doing because I like working with my hands. The hands-on learning is very helpful in learning everything that you're going to need to know when you go out on a job site. You're working on a lot of the same equipment. My professor has been very helpful with teaching me exactly how to do it, and it is a lot of one-on-one, you doing it and him watching you, making sure that you're doing it right, because it can be dangerous if you do it wrong. Starting out this semester, I was 7 months pregnant, and I was due to have the baby in the middle of the semester. My professor has made it really easy. He's always made sure that I know that it's okay to take as much time as I need. If anybody was thinking about going to LSEO and they really weren't sure about it, or they weren't sure if the program was right for them, I would definitely tell them to at least try it, because I had literally never touched a power tool in my life before I took this program, and I love it. I think that no matter what job I get with my certificate in welding, that I would succeed in it. I feel like I've learned enough in this program to go for any job that I want in welding and use it however I need to after I complete it.